So here's the new Krups Nespresso at work. I've tried it several times with this one pod. The first time, you can see you put the pod in there, it's a bit dark, and you close the lever. The lever's got two positions. It's kind of got that middle position, fully down, middle position, fully open. And you can kind of see that the difference between fully open, see there's a thing there, and then it closes, and then when it's fully open the thing will drop down. So I assume you're supposed to put the thing in when it's half down, otherwise it seems like it would slip all the way down into that holder in the bottom. So here's the pot I've already used. First time I didn't get any holes and I didn't get any coffee, and no holes on this side. Second time I got 3 holes. Third time I got 3 more holes. But I think there should be a hole on this side, or am I supposed to peel that off myself? Anyway, we'll put it back in. Oh, see, drops all the way to the bottom. I don't know if that's because it's been used, or, let me get this back out, or because how did it go in? Or because this lever up the top, you put it half down. Now at least that thing will stay there. And I'll push it down. Turn it on. It's got to warm up. Now remember this, I'm not sure where the pod goes. There's kind of like an upper position, and then I think it's possible because at one point I had it kind of at a lower position in there. Let's try this. No coffee, just water. It's a little bit brown, and let's open this. Yeah, I think it's too high. I think it's supposed to be lower than that, and it's supposed to drop all the way to the bottom. But let's see what happens if we close it now. You see, I think that's where it's supposed to be. It's a bit dark, but there's kind of a sleeve that seems to surround the pod. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's where it's actually supposed to be. So let's just try it one more time. Might be running low on water, but it should be enough to check. No. Oh, we should have checked. Let's see if we've got 3 more holes in the bottom. Still no coffee. Let's see if we got, yeah, it's a little bit brown. Let's see what happened. Okay, it drops through. No, we didn't even get 3 more holes. It's still just got the original 6. Maybe it just tried to pierce it again, but pierced it in exactly the same place. I'm certain there should be should pierce this side as well. I don't know. It's a bit wasteful, but I'm tempted to try another pod. Should we try another pod? I better put some more water in. Turn it on a bit more. That's enough for an espresso. Clean this out. Oops. Put it back in. Okay, let's get a different flavour. Do I care which flavour it is? Let's try this one. Oh, no, we tried this one before. It's pure origin. Let's try one of these normal espressos or a lungo. Let's try this blue one. Then we'll try a lungo. So, once again, do we do it all the way up, in which case it will just drop down, or do we just kind of see if we can get it in that right spot there? Okay, it hasn't dropped all the way down. No, it's too high. We've just got to get it. That's where we want it. Okay, I think that's in the right position. This should work. Now we chose a lungo variety, so we'll push the button on the right. Oh, yeah, it should be enough water. Ah, it's working. Yeah, we should have enough water. Ooh, that's over extraction. You know, they should probably... To me, a lungo was a bit of an over extraction, but at least it worked. We'll taste that in a second. Now let's see what happened. Open this, and it ejects down into the bottom. Three holes on the bottom. And yes, the top is supposed to be perforated. Oh, it's hot. For some reason this one didn't get perforated. I don't know why. Hope I can still make use of this. I don't like wasting things. Let's try it out later on.